So we went to Kildare Village to buy Ava a pair of shoes. We got our pair of shoes in Clark's, but yeah, so I downloaded the Kildare Village app and I joined their privilege club, and a part of it is you get a free waffle for a limited time, it said, so I don't know, but
want more?
No. Hi.
we okay?
No.
It was really, really nice. Who are you climbing on?
Come on.
So it's very rainy. Every single time we come here, it rains. Like every single time. It's like an outdoor
Mall.
Like an outdoor mall, yeah.
Is that nice?
Uh-oh.
That is cool, right? Or not?
You do it?
Okay. Go, move your hips. Are you moving your hips? Are you ready? Go with this. Like that. Will you do it? You try that one. Are you ready? Watch it. How do people do it with one leg and everything?
You know. So we are home from doing some bits this morning. Like you saw, we were in Kildare Village. We then went to Smyths. Where's the, oh yeah. We went to Smyths. Then I went and did my shopping, my food shopping, and I'll have a food haul up. It will already be up, so I'll have it linked in the description. And basically I'm going to be doing a food challenge, a food grocery haul challenge, where I go to Tesco for 2 weeks, Super Value for 2 weeks, Lidl for 2 weeks, Aldi for 2 weeks, and Dunnes for 2 weeks, and kind of like compare and all that sort of stuff. But when we were in Kildare Village, we bought Ava new shoes in Clark's. So we bought her these. As you can see, there's the little bunnies on them, and then they also light up as well. So she was pretty happy with them. Ava has a wide foot, and the guy told us it's best off having 2 straps when their feet are so wide. So we got those for her. And then in Smyths, we got her some like baby bottle things, the ones where it disappears, the milk disappears, for her little babies. Her nanny got her one of these during the week, and she's really liking it, so when we were there we just picked it up. I'm pretty sure it was like $5.99 or $4.99 for it. So it came with this bottle, like a little juice one that does the same, and also a soother. Ooh. Also a little soother as well. We did buy her a jigsaw puzzle, a Peppa Pig one, but I've after leaving it in the car, so I'll show you that whenever we get it out of the car. Good girl.
A toe.
Maybe do more?
Toe.
Look at this one.
Look. Now.
Good girl.
Wow.
Go on, you can do it.
There you go.
Yay.
Yeah.
Now you get the other bits.
Now, you see her name?
To Peppa Pig. And where's that? Look, is that letters? And letters?
No, not that one.
Look at the letters there.
Da.
Yeah. Good.
Cat boy. Alex.
Alexa?
Yeah, my baby is there.
Oh. We try again. Alexa?
Yeah, my baby is there.
Mummy, Be My Baby by Susan Soliday, starting now on Amazon Music.
Oh my god, that's not it.
No, yeah.
We tell her to stop. You ready? We tell her to stop. You ready? Alexa?
Stop,
Say it again. Stop.
my
I pronounced
baby.
it again, but
Ma.
text-to-speech is always improving and I might not have it quite right.
My baby is there.
So you tell her. Stop. You ready? Alexa?
Stop,
Say it again.
my baby is there.
Barbecue or barbecue is a cooking method. Other names for the gathering at which the food is cooked and served.
You are lovely. Woo! 2 kilos.
You whipping your hair? You whipping your hair?
See the little fishies? Oh, what's down here?
So human.
Yeah.
You can imagine this person's house and being like in Australia and all that.
Oh yeah. You see the big fish, look? Now careful, we go slower. Because we're near the end. Oh look, my camera's all foggy. So we have come to the Sea Life in Bray. I'm not quite sure you can hear me, but we've come to the Sea Life in Bray. And we came here this day last year. Ava was a little bit too young, I think, so we're gonna give it another go. She was free in and we booked online. So we paid online 23 euros for the two of us. Look in here, Ava, look. You see them?
Wow.
You want to touch it? Is he trying to get some food from you? No, you can't give it to him, can't you, Nat?
Your land, isn't it?
What is it? Are they?
The big stingray?